This 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer is brought to you by AutoExpress, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, Ecotec i3 inline 3-cylinder engine, and has 86,572 miles. Adventure awaits. Explore in this 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer, style, comfort, and performance combined. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.